Good morning, traders. How are you? I hope you are well. Today I started a new session, and this only because we are having some news in about 20 minutes, and I really want to see how pairs like GJ or GU or GCAD, they will move during this news. So maybe we can have also a trade, and I will show you how to place a trade. Before going before trading in news, I want to say that first, it's a big advice that when you trade during the news, you must have a lot of experience, and don't play it like this, I don't know, like random. So if you really want to trade news, and I know that you want to make very fast money, first you have to learn how to do it, and second, you have to repeat it all the time on the demo account. But I suggest you to play it on the real account only when you have experience, because even me, I had problems during the news because of the spread, and because you have to learn exactly where to place your take profit and stop loss, and you have to calculate where you have to put your entry, and so on. Plus that I think that the students that they are already in my class, they know exactly how to place trades when we have news. Now I have a guy here asking me a question. Hello, I will start from question that I think about gold buy and still holding in. The problem is that when I'm doing live sessions, and when you are coming here live with me, please stop asking me what do you think about this or about that, or if GJ, EJ, USD, JPY, I don't know any pair, they will go up or down. If you really want to discuss about any chart, please send some charts, because 99 of the people that they are following Forex, usually they have a trading view. It's free, and you can use it, and here you have after you do your plan, okay, you press here like this, okay, you take a snapshot, then you will have the link, and then you can send it to me by YouTube. Okay, so please don't ask me what do you think about this or that. Okay, I don't want to be mean, but like this you will start to learn to trade Forex, because it's easy for you to come and ask me what do you think about this and about that. Okay, so start to learn how to map your trades, start to learn how to place orders, start to learn how to identify support and resistance, and please stop putting this kind of questions, because I will not answer. Okay, and also the guys from the group, you should do the same, sending charts and tell me your opinions. And why I'm saying this, because I will not be all my life here on YouTube or okay, you have to learn to trade on your own. That's why I'm here to explain you how to do it. And for those that they really want to learn and to do it very fast, they can take the courses. Plus you have other things like the robot and so on. You can go on the website and have a look to see what we offer there. Okay, so again, I don't want to be mean, but first I want you to learn, because that's why I'm doing this here on YouTube for free, okay? And for the guys that they want an access, I don't know, a VIP access, and they want to see my signals every day, they should pay a fee. And I told you, you have all the details on the website, and this is the website, okay? And you can have a look here, and you have all the information, okay, about the signals, about the robot, and about the courses, okay? Coming back for why I came today here on the live session is because on the GBP we have news, and I said that in about 20 minutes the news will start. And because remember that for the guys that they are new and they don't really know how to use Forex Factory, it's very simple to understand that, okay, here you have also the details, and when you have a red flag, here you have the high impact expected, in the orange it's the medium, and yellow it's the low, okay? So we are expecting a high impact. And also I advise you that you should not trade now on the real account because I don't want you to risk real money. Let's do it on the demo. And as you can see, I'm not doing it in real. When I will do it in real, I will tell you, okay? This is just exercise for you to understand how things are working. If you really want to do it by your own in your real, and for example, something happens because I cannot predict 100% the market, and we can expect anything, you know, that the price can come up or down, and I don't know, things like this, things that I cannot control, and maybe you will lose money. And you will think that it's my fault. So that's why I said from the beginning that you should trade it on demo, and like this you will know what may happen. In my opinion, I think that the price, so here we have, if we go on the daily, okay, so here we have the daily chart. And as you can see here, I have an alarm crossing, okay, saying that here we have a very strong support on GJ, okay? This is on the daily. I don't want to go even on the back because I have here a range zone and it looks very ugly. In the same time, so I said that here we have a very strong support, and after that we go on the 4 hour and we will look to see what the price can do. As you can see now, the price is falling, okay, we are like in a downtrend. It's rejected from this area, okay, so we are expecting the price maybe to hit this area here around 142,700, okay, good. And if I'm mapping even more here, I can find out another strong support, okay, where the price may come back down here and maybe to reject from here. Why I'm saying this? I'm saying that usually, and my students, they know already, that the price, let's say when we have momentum in the market, like for example saying that market is opening like the London session or the New York session, or maybe we can have an overlap, and I mean when we have continuation and including with the news, the price is feeling the week, okay, so we'll see that the price will complete these weeks, usually when we have momentum. And we can see some momentum now because we have news, okay? And I really want to see how the price will react from this area. And I want to map also, let me go on the 1 hour. I want to go, if you go on the 1 hour and if you are mapping in the same time with me, you will see that here we have a resistance. And because it has multiple touches, like here, like here, like here, also these two huge rejections, and also here. What does it mean? It means that the price hit a very strong resistance, and now it's rejecting this area, and I'm expecting that if the price cannot create here a support and then to come back up to break this area, then the price may continue to go down and maybe to fill this week, okay, to complete these two little these two big weeks. In the same time, I'm looking that I have a lot of rejections in this area, and I'm expecting the price to fall again. Now let's measure how, we have here like 26 pips. No, I want to measure the whole from here to here. So it's about 40 pips, okay? Let me go on the 30 minutes, so don't worry, we still have 15 minutes for the news to appear. And usually when you place an order, you put it with, I don't know, 5 minutes before the news, because sometimes the price it's moving even violently, because you have how you say, the news coming, and you will see a lot of pressures from sellers or buyers, okay? So it's better to put it with 5 minutes before the news, because your buy stop or sell stop could be activated. In the same time, we can play with a buy stop and a sell stop. Let me go on the 15 minutes. So on the 15 minutes, the price is telling me that it's like in a range. Okay, this is 1 hour and 4 hour, okay? We have also this one here, which I really don't like it, but I would leave it on the 1 hour. No, I will leave it on the 30 minute. So let's say that in this moment we have two possibilities, okay? It's like a buy stop or a sell stop. And so let me measure again. 34, this is 70, and for the next one 120. Okay, so it's like I'm going to put for you like this to understand, okay? And I want to have a stop loss of, let's say, 10 pips, okay? And my entry could be right here, okay? And I can gain 55 pips. And I want to put also a buy stop, and maybe my take profit could be here or even higher, but let's put it right here, okay? And the stop loss, oh, not this one, where is it? It's here. The same it should be like 10 pips, something like this. Okay, the thing is that when you trade news, you should expect that the price, it's moving so fast that let me do it like this. Okay, so the price is moving so fast and you have spread. Okay, now I gave you an example where we can have an entry. Okay, this is like a buy stop or a sell stop, and your stop loss could be around 10 pips, because it's very good to have a very small stop loss, because you don't want to lose a lot of money. Okay, so you will bet that the price will go in your favor. Okay, good. I want to measure again here and to see how many pips do I have. 15. It's a fine, it's okay, because also we have the possibility that the price cannot break this area here. Let's say that my entry could be at 143, 126. Okay, then the price, it may come back down, maybe to come to this area and maybe to break it if it has momentum, because as you can see here we have these beautiful clean candles that they are usually completed, you know, they are filled like wicks. So the only thing now is to wait, because we still have 10 minutes. Now I put it like this for you to understand and to see how it works. And again, I suggest you not to trade on the real account. Okay, and if you want, we can map it like this for you to be easier. Okay, we can do like this. Okay, just unfortunately I did a mistake, buy, and now it's big down. Yes, because you don't have experience. It's the same guy, Kaskis, is his name. He's saying about the gold, and he said that he had an order for buy and now the price is going down. Yes, why you are trading gold? I mean, gold is the heaviest thing to trade ever. You must have a lot of experience. I mean, I don't want to sound that I am the greatest on the Forex market, but I do have some results. And I want to ask you, did you see me trading a lot or even everyday gold? No, because for gold, you need a great setup, you need a lot of experience, and you need to understand that only the big traders, they do this. Yes, I can tell my opinion. Yes, I can have a small trade on gold, but I cannot play it every day. Okay, you don't play with gold. This is definitely a must, even when you are a beginner. Never, don't trade gold, because you will end up losing money. Okay, and I don't want you to lose money. Okay, so now coming back to GJ, I just want to put, let's say, your entry, and you should think it like this. Okay, this is the first take profit and this could be the second take profit, and let me do it like this. TP2, okay? Now I am placing the first and the second take profit, and here you have the entry, okay? I want you to understand that okay, I will place, no, I will leave the entry here. Remember that we have here resistance, and I really don't want to mess with it. And because I'm expecting a high impact news, I'm not expecting the price to move just a little bit here, because that means that it's going to be in a range. I'm expecting the price to break either up or down, okay? Now here we have let's say the first take profit. This is, and let's have also a line here. This could be the first take profit, and this could be the second take profit, okay? And this is the second take profit. Okay, I didn't put the second take profit. I will put it here. Okay, and here you have your entry. I just put it like this, orientative, I don't know how to say, for you to understand how to map your trades, okay? So this is buy stop and sell stop, okay? So still we have 4 minutes, and I will put here, here we have a buy stop, okay? Where we have the entry, we have a buy stop, and here we have a sell stop. The thing is that you have to understand and to know how to map your trades. And before the trade starts, and you will see that also there is a big delay between us on YouTube. First, going into a trade, not even only when you have a buy stop or a sell stop, you must map your trade like this, because you have to know exactly where the price will go, okay? If the price is not moving where I want, up or down, that means that the price still it's in a range zone, and maybe the price will move after the news, maybe after 1 hour or 2 hours, who knows, maybe when the London session will close, okay? The second thing is that when you see that the price is moving, I mean, it's not something fixed, that this is your entry, the buy stop, and this is your sell stop. When you see that the price is moving up or down, you have to play with your entry, okay? So this is my buy stop, and I want to play with it. Maybe I want to move it a little bit down. Why? Because maybe the price, it can go up, okay? And you know that you have the spread. The same thing, you can do it with a sell stop, okay? And you have to move very fast. And if you want to close any trade, you have to click very fast, okay? That's why I said it's very difficult, and don't try to do it on the real account, because you need a lot of experience, okay? And now I think we still have 2 minutes until the news will be released. and we will see if there will be bad or good, if the price will go up or down. Okay, so if the news will be good, that means that GBP GJ will continue to go down. Okay, because the pound will be stronger. Sorry, it's the opposite. Okay, and now I want to see, we still have 1 minute and 25 seconds, and the price is moving, it's trying to move down, but in the same time you have to play with your entry, and you can do this. Okay, you can do this on MetaTrader 4 or 5. And you should play like this. If the price is not going into your direction, then it's very simple, and you can click very fast and close your trade. Now we still have 48 seconds for the news to be released. In the same time, the price is trying to go down, and we have to see if the price it's going into a favor, because we have two options, buy a buy stop and a sell stop. This is the easier path, let's say, to make a trade. 20 seconds for this news to be released, and I'm still playing here with my entry, and I really want to see if the price is going in one of my directions. Okay, 1 seconds. I will move my entry here. I will close my buy stop. I will secure my trade. Okay, this I will delete it, remove, and I will close the trade. Okay, you see how beautiful it's going up. Target 1, boom, close it. Like this you have to trade. You have to understand and to know how to map your trades. Okay, when you see that the price is not going into your favor, like we put our sell stop and also I delete it, you saw that okay, we had here our entry and it didn't touch our order. Okay, so we touch only our buy stop. And also remember, I played with my buy stop and I put it even lower. Why? Because there is how you say, the spread. I mean, it's a big difference, you know, between the spread, and you can lose a lot of money, and you can see that your price started to be counted, let's say, from the take profit one. So I showed you that after you place after you, how you say, you put your stop loss at the break even, you just let the price to do his thing. The thing is that sometimes you can close 50% of the trade and let the rest run, or you can close all, depends with which lot size are you using. And sometimes, because I put take profit 1 and take profit 2, you let the price to do his thing, and maybe it's going to the second take profit. But I was so happy, let's say, with a take profit 1 that I closed my trade. The thing is that you should move very, very fast, okay, with a buy stop, with a sell stop, because in the same time the price can come, hit your sell stop, and then you'll be in the drawdown and you will lose, because I put the how you say, the stop loss at the 10 pips for each one, for the buy stop and the sell stop. And I say why I put so little pips because I don't want to lose a lot of money, and I'm waiting for the price to go into my favor and to make pips, not to lose. Okay, now I think, please explain again. To explain what? Hello Madi, I think using RTR indicator for defining stop loss and take profit. I don't use this kind of indicators. I am the only indicator here. You know, my eyes are the indicator. I know exactly where to place the stop loss. I know exactly where to put my take profit. And why did I put my take profit here? I mean, it's not hard to understand why, because here we had rejections, okay? And it was very easy for my eyes to understand that here I had rejections. Why did I put the second take profit here? Because here we had this wick, okay? And I was expecting that the price, I don't know if it can go to this high at 143,691, and I'm not expecting, and I don't want to take a lot of pips. Look, from my entry from here up to here to the first take profit, imagine it's about 30 pips, okay? And look, the price is going even higher, okay? And if we count more, here we could catch 50 pips. The thing is that that's why I said, oh, it's going so beautifully. If I could have this on the real account. The thing is that I don't want you to be afraid to trade. I don't want you to feel guilty if you don't catch any pips, okay? I don't want you to lose trades only because you know how to do things exactly. You need a lot of experience, and I told you that you need to to show to yourself that you are able trading, okay, and that you are not afraid of anything. It's like they say that the best Forex traders are the ones that they are playing poker because they have their mind focused, and they know exactly, they are not afraid, I don't know how to say, they cut some feelings, because here it's about feelings, okay? Now the price is pushing even higher, and I want to go on the 4 hour. And maybe the price will stop somewhere here, because as you can see, we have these wicks and they are closing lower and lower. And maybe it's going to happen the same thing. We don't know. Maybe the price will push even higher here at 144. 144. Let's leave it like this, okay? So we still have another 2 hours for this 4 hour candle to close. And if you look closer, the price looks very bullish now, and it corrected almost all this move down. And why I said at the beginning that I'm expecting the price to go up, it's because I mapped you at the beginning, and here I had this line here, okay, put it at the beginning, and I told you that if you go on the daily, you will see that here around this area, okay, because this is an area, we have a very strong resistance now that it became support, okay? So I was expecting that the price to hit that area and then to reject it. Why I'm saying this, and I'm coming back on the 4 hour chart, and I want to make it a little bit smaller, it's that also I explain it at the classes with my students, that the price always moves like a ball, okay? So it's up, down, like we have here, okay? Up, down, and now it's going up again. Now maybe the price, it will break even this area, and it will go even higher, and then to come back down again. So I showed you again how to map a trade and how to map an entry when you are trading news, okay? I want you to understand that it's not easy, because you have to be there very focused, okay? So this is not a game. For me, it was not, let's say, easy to do it, to map the trade and at the same time to speak. It's not easy to be here focused, okay? So this was the first take profit, and here it was the second take profit where I map it, okay? Good. So this was the entry. The thing is that now maybe the price will reject from here and then to come back down. I want you to understand that if you don't do a trading plan, and if you don't know how to map your trades, and if you don't know how to place your orders, you will not be profitable, okay? So you need to understand, for those that they are new and they don't really know how this Forex market is moving. First, you should go to Baby Pips and to see what do they have on the website, and they will take you exactly from the beginning, like with the baby steps, and you will learn a lot of things. And also here you will see that with me you have the opportunity to learn, and I'm showing you how to map your trades, okay? It's how you say, when I'm coming to YouTube, also I showed you how to place a buy stop and a sell stop, and maybe you didn't know how to do it before. Maybe it's your first time. This is for the guys that they are new, and girls, because we have also girls that they are trading, and they are really good. And also I have some students, girls, and they are very, very good, and they understand exactly my strategy, and they are very profitable. And I want you to understand that before going into a trade, and as you saw me, I was sitting here explaining, and I was very calm. If you are coming in front of the charts during the news, or not even during the news, every day, if you are stressed out, and if you think from the beginning that you will lose, believe me, you will lose. You have to feel very powerful, you have to feel very confident, and you have to understand that, and I will repeat myself, and sorry for repeating myself, that if you really want to be consistent, first you must have a trading plan. Second, you must know how to map your trades, like I did now. Even you can do this every day, not only at the news, okay? So if you really want to trade GJ later on, you must know how to map it. You must find out where you have your support and resistance, which these are the elementary things. I mean, without this, you cannot predict exactly where the market goes. That's why we have support and resistance, because with them you can predict in which area the price it may stop or reject, and so on. Okay, because I'm here, and you guys, you can ask me questions about, I don't know, about what happened today with the news, with GJ. How did I map my trade, and also I think that I explained it clearly. Let me see GU. Of course, they did the same thing, and on the 1 hour it looks like if the price cannot break through this area, okay, then the price may reject it and come back down again. Why I'm saying this? Because sometimes I can see what's happening on the market without having a support or resistance. Why? Because and also here there is a very strong area. Why I'm saying this? Because I have so many hours in front of the computer that I really don't need sometimes, how you say, I really don't need to place, yes, it's something, leave me alone, okay? So it could be something like this, and if you are mapping here, you have a very strong resistance, and also you can call it area, okay? In the same time here you have a very strong area because you had this rejection, but in the same time, as you can see, price is rejecting this. This you can call it a channel, and here you have the two trend lines, and now possibly that the price may come back up here to 1.36500, retest this area, and then maybe to reject and come back down again. Okay, there are some little things that you should try to learn them, and I went also at the GU to show you that it's the same thing like GJ, because it has GBP, okay? And when the news are released, all the pairs with GBP are moving, okay? So guys, if you don't really have too many questions, I think I will not stay too much time here on the live session. Also tomorrow I'm gonna do another one on the when we have the NFP, okay? So tomorrow we have again around this area, around this time, not area, we have again the news, and I will send it to you, the link to come and to join me here. Look at GJ, wow, it's pushing higher and higher. I really want to see, let me go on the 4 hour. You see how beautifully it moved here, rejected from this area, boom, up. And now it looks like also this one, it's in a channel here. You see, you can do like this, you can put a trend line, you can do like this, and you could know that the price, it may reject from this area. And let me see, oops, my god, no, it's not okay. It's from here, I think. Yeah, this one I really don't like it, but it doesn't matter. You don't have to put up or down. the trend line, but like this you can have a direction. Yeah, if you take it from here, then it would be a different thing. So the price, it may come back up at 144. Let's say what we have here, 144 0.50. So the price may push up. If we have momentum, then the price may break through this area, and then the price can have a clear direction going to 145. Okay, so like this you can map your trades. Okay, and please identify where you have your stop loss when you go into a trade. Identify where you have your entry, calculate where you can have your first take profit, maybe you can have a second take profit, or maybe the third take profit. Okay, I suggest you at the beginning to have only one take profit, and if you can catch 10 pips, it will be amazing. Okay, because for the beginning to have 10 pips, my god, I'm looking at GJ and it's going so beautifully up. Okay, so you have to understand that we are looking for this kind of candles. Okay, I am looking for this kind of candle to trade it. I'm looking for this kind of candle to trade it. I'm not looking for the candles that they look, I don't know, like these ones. Okay, these are the candles that I really want to avoid it, and that's why sometimes you don't see me in the market placing orders or giving signals, because I really don't like how the price is mapping up. Okay, and I don't like when the price is showing me something like this. Okay, because this is like a range area, and I'm waiting for the price to break a zone and to be able to catch more pips. Okay, I don't want to catch 5-10 pips, I want to catch 30-35. Okay, or even 50, I don't know. Look at GJ, it's still going up, and there is the possibility that the price may still pushing at 144.50, let's say. The thing is that we had a guy here, and I'm pretty sure that there are a lot of people that they are trading gold, and I would love to say that GJ, it's almost let's say similar with gold, because it's very violent, and sometimes it doesn't do a retest, and this thing with the retest, maybe the students from my group, they know already what I'm talking about, and it's just moving like crazy, and look what moves it's doing. I mean, it's crazy what he did here, and he did it 3 times, and now the price, look at this beautiful price that it's going up. In the same time, I can map it like this on the 1 hour, that the price, it may be here in a range zone. Okay, and now that the price rejected from here, and now maybe the price here showed me again a rejection, but I can call it a fake out. Okay, and maybe the price is going to go up at 144.050, and maybe from there to reject it again, we don't know. But usually when you will see candles like this big, usually they are corrected at the news. Okay, so maybe the second day or maybe next week, this move will be corrected. Okay, so you will see a lot of new things if you are new on the market, and you will understand that the price, if you know how to read it, I mean the candles, if you know how to read it, you can have a very beautiful entry and you can catch a lot of pips. Okay, so as what did you say there? How to understand momentum? Momentum is when the price it's moving very violently, like it happened here. Okay, so here we don't have 4 candles. Okay, this move was very big. So if we measure, we will see that we have something like 80 pips. Okay, which for GJ it's, let's say, normal. Sometimes he's doing more than 100 pips per news, and there is still a lot of time for the price to push up. So momentum there is when you will see price breaking through zones like resistance and support. Okay, so this is the resistance and here you have the support. Okay, and you will find it, the price will be very easy to break a zone when momentum is at the news, at the beginning of a session like London session, New York session, overlaps. You know, when overlap means when for example London session with New York session, they are on top of each other, and you will see that the price is moving faster at that time. And this, I think you can find it also on Google. I don't know. What else? I think it was another thing. No, it was the news. And when the market is manipulated, that means that the big ones, let's call it like this, the big sellers and the buyers are coming through the market and they are placing orders, and you will see that the price is rejecting harder, and you will see that you will find big candles, you know, like these ones, because they want to fill their orders. Okay, so I think that you understand what does it mean this with the momentum. So in this time you have momentum like news, and like when market is opening and overlapping, and when there is market manipulation and so on. So guys, I will see you also tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. For the guys that they are already on my VIP channel, we will continue to chat there, and also to chat our progress, because also I gave some signals, and I am very happy that people that they are with me, they are making pips, and I'm happy that they are happy. And if you want, for the guys that they are new, you can follow me on Instagram at MadiBloomFX. You can follow the BloomFX on the Instagram, on the Twitter. Then you can go on TradingView, because also I started to put charts with education for those that they want to learn more, and also it's free, and also you will see the weekly analysis. Maybe they will help you, and also this one is free. And if you want to learn more and to see more about me, you can go to bloomfx.com, and there on the website you will have more details. And if you like, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, and when I will have the possibility to come here to do lives, I will do it with all my heart. And if I can have trades live, I will tell you, and like this we will have some pips together, so we will be even happier. Sorry, I was thinking with higher that GJ it went up. Okay, so don't worry about this move, because this move will be corrected. Usually the price is corrected. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I am waiting for you in the group chat. And for those that they want to see more about the group chat, I told you can go to the website at bloomfx.com, and there you will find more things about me. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't overtrade, and for the guys that they are in my group, stay calm. I will see you there in 2 minutes. Thank you. Bye.